Now in this video, I've got a 15-volt source in series with a 150 ohm resistor in series with a 100 ohm resistor. Now the first thing I will do, I'm going to find my total current. And my current I equals 15 volts over 150 ohms plus 100 ohms equals that equals 60 milliamps. So my current I equals 60 milliamps. And now my voltage across my 150 ohm resistor equals V1 equals 150 ohms times 60 milliamps. And my voltage equals 9 volts. And the voltage across my 100 ohm resistor equals 100 ohms times 60 milliamps equals 6 volts. And as you can see, 9 volts and 6 volts equal 15 volts. Now I'm going to find my power that is in my 150 ohm resistor. So my power P1 equals 9 volts times my current of 60 milliamps and that's very simple. That will give you 540 milliwatts. So my power that's in my 150 ohm resistor equals 540 milliwatts. And the power that's in my 100 ohm resistor equals 6 volts times 60 milliamps that equals 360 milliwatts. So my power here equals 360 milliwatts. Okay. Now my total power is the sum of these two powers. So my total power equals 540 milliwatts plus 360 milliwatts. That gives you a total of 900 milliwatts. Now, what's watts? The wattage is the amount of heat that the resistors will be producing because of the current that is flowing through the circuit. Now, why do you need to know this? Well, the resistors, right, all have a wattage rating. What that means is that they can only take a certain amount of heat. So, this resistor here, this resistor has to be able to take at least 540 milliwatts. And this resistor here, this resistor has to be able to take at least 360 milliwatts. Now, if you put a resistor here, for example, that has a rating of, let's say, 100 milliwatts, then this resistor will burn up. And if you put a resistor here that may have a rating of, let's say 250 milliwatts, okay, then if you put a 250 milliwatt resistor here, then this resistor will overheat. And this resistor will overheat too. So, this is why you need to know how to calculate the wattage of the resistors that you will be using. And this brings me to the end of the video. Subscribe, like, share. Subscribe, like, share. Thanks for your attention.